What's up, guys? We're here with another trade recap video. Just showing you guys what I saw today. I did not trade today, but there were some entries that you guys may have made. So we'll start off news. There is no news that we had today that's very impactful for us that we should be wary of. I mean, we did have some high impact news here and at 8:15, but nothing to scare us away. So let's see. This morning, we're on ES right here. This is Asian session. We see this is what Asian session does. Comes up. London session. What does it do? London session comes up. It does not manipulate these highs. Comes down. It manipulates these highs, but it's not a manipulation. We don't see a reversal or anything off of these highs. So, kind of what I'm seeing here is just consolidation on ES. And then here on NQ, we can see that, here's Asian session high, Asian session low. What does London session do? London session doesn't manipulate up here, comes down through here, but doesn't manipulate it. And we can see though that, what is this? Here is 8:30 candle, this black one. But then the 9 o'clock candle, we can see that it does manipulate these lows for London session. So if we get manipulation like that during pre-market when we have consolidation, we're most likely going to look for some form of a 5-minute S&T. So let's hop down to the 5 minutes time frame and see what we have today. So we can see NQ is just a big blob. ES was the index we would have probably traded on. So first off, what I saw was we open up here at 9:30 here, and we continue to go up on ES, but on NQ we go straight down and we manipulate, go through these London lows, and then we take out these daily lows. So let's zoom out, and you can see we have a huge SMT here from these daily lows to here. And then on ES, I mean, we weren't even close to hitting these daily lows. So, well, here, somewhere around there. So with an SMT, we had, this is the leading index because we were going to go higher. And typically the highest point between these 2 points is these highs of Asia session. So we can see that that is where our target's going to be today. So we can zoom in here and we can see that obviously we had the leading index here with ES. Since we did get that 5-minute manipulation on NQ before market opened, I'm basically looking for a 5-minute manipulation, which we do pretty much get from like highs and lows are all the way down here compared to up here we have on ES. So we do get that manipulation, but I was more so looking for some form of a reversal to a fair value gap or equilibrium, which we never got on either of these lows. But what we could have done, which I didn't do, was we can zoom into here. These 5-minute retraces are points where we can get an entry. So we're on the 1-minute time frame here, and we get this 1-minute retrace right here of this fair value gap, and super small, but you can see that here we come down and we inverse this fair value gap here, which is a sign that we can enter. But this was at 9:42, and I typically don't take trades till 9:45 at the earliest. But then let's just say we could have waited, and on another 5-minute retrace we have up here, we have a fair value gap. And we could have entered off of this fair value gap here where we inverse it since we close above it. But I mean, I was just more so looking for a retracement since we didn't have any super obvious SMTs to compare them with. But hypothetically speaking, we could have entered here, put our stop losses at these lows, these 1-minute lows, and then our take profit would have been these highs up here, which would have given us a 1.83 risk to reward ratio, which is still a good trade. And then, you know, it could have kept going, but I mean, those were our targets to complete the SMT for the day. So that's what we got. I didn't trade today, but you know, we are making a reversal back here, and I think what I'm seeing is based on this 30-minute time frame. We might just come down here. We came up, come down, and continue to go up. But that's what we got for today. Make sure you guys leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Tomorrow should be a really fun day. We have FOMC news. I'm going to try and trade that for the first time, but that's at 2 o'clock, and then I might trade in the morning. We'll just see what happens, but I'll keep you guys posted. So, peace, boys.